We start. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Yesterday we have seen measurement of length, right?
Yes. We have completed till kilograms.
Yes.
Kilo.
Yeah, millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilogram. These are the things we were seeing it, right? Mainly we will see the units of length we will see.
Meter, centimeter, millimeter, hectometer, decameter, decimeter.
Yeah. So we used to say on it, we will put some acronym. Acronym means first letters we will use, right? KH, DM, DCM.
That is for kilograms, hectometer, decimeter, millimeter, decameter, centimeter, and that's why millimeter.
Yeah. So we will see some acronym. Acronym means like first letters only we will remember. KH, DM, DCM. Like that we need to DM, DCM. Like that we need to remember. KH, DM, DCM means kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, meter. KH, DM, DCM. Just only the few sentences. KH, DM, DCM. You get me?
Yeah.
Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Mostly we will be using millimeter, centimeter, meter, and kilometer. This decimeter, decameter, hectometer, we will be using it very, very rarely. Okay. So you will remember only millimeter, centimeter, meter, and kilometer. Only these four we will remember. Okay. Millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. I want to show you something in the unit. Just a minute. Just there is one max book. That max book, third standard, we have the one lesson that is easily understandable. So I just wanted to show you that one. Okay, just a minute. This book is really easy to understand. Now you see here 105, right? There is one unit called length and unit distances. That distance, it will be easy to understand. It will be measuring what is the pencil length and some crocodile length. Those kind of small examples are there. That would be really useful. Just want you to learn that one.
This is money.
Uh,
This is money.
there is one book. So 4. I just downloaded. Actually, I sent through my email from office email, but I couldn't see that email. Just a minute. This will be easy. Some examples are there, like how we will be measuring the pencil, how we will be measuring the some crocodile, and it is there. Some examples are there. I just wanted to show you, so you can understand the distance between centimeter, meter, millimeter, those things. Yeah, this is the one. Now you can see.
Liars.
Yeah, now you are able to see.
Yes, Lalia is selling things at her father's shop. A
A farmer
farmer
comes
comes
to buy a
to
rope.
rope. Can
Okay.
you give me 7 arms of rope?
A farmer
He
came and he is asking to her, can you give me 7 arms of rope? This is one arm, right? From here to here, one arm. Okay. From here to here, this is one arm. So he is asking 7 arm length. That means like a 7 times this much length she has to measure and she will be giving it. So she is calculating how much is a 7 arm length. Okay. Like this, she is measuring it. So she is giving 7 arms of rope. She is giving it. But when this guy is measuring it, it comes only 6 arms. But this is only 6 arms long. Why don't you measure your arm with this rope
at
and
least
take 7 times
7
of that length? Sorry.
So farmer measures his arm with the rope and Lali gives him 7 times that much rope.
Yeah. Now, here what you will be understanding that if you see the arm length, this girl's arm length is smaller than this farmer's arm length. So length we will be measuring based on some scale. Okay. His arm length is bigger, right?
Yeah,
And her arm length is small, right? So that's why
smaller.
when she is measuring, the overall rope length is less. But his arm length is more. When he is measuring it, total arm length is less. See here, his arm length is big, this much. Her arm length is less only, right? We have seen here. See, her arm length is less. This farmer's arm length is big. So length, this is concept they are explaining, like what is the length of arm of a man or a girl, small girl. If you measure your arm and your mother's arm, what is the difference? Can you see the difference? There will be a difference between your arm length and your mother's arm length.
Uh, my
Your
arm, my arm length is smaller. My
yeah.
mother arm is bigger.
Yeah, so if you measure some rope, you will give smaller length. But if your mother is measuring it using her arm length, she will give more rope. Okay, that's the concept they wanted to explain, like the difference between arm lengths. Like length is varying based on the arm length. And one more also I will show you here. You see here this length between this tile to this tile. How many steps this guy has to make to cross this road? he has to make how many steps? See, from here to here, one distance, then one more, 2, 6, 8, 10. Maybe 10 steps he has to take to cross this road, right?
Yeah.
It's also for the length they are explaining the concept, like from one point to another point, what is the distance? To measure that one, they will be explaining like this. And you see here in this one, this example, how many cups can be placed in a line on this table? Here already we have kept 3, right? How many more we can keep like this? Maybe another 3 plus 2. Total 8 only we can place it. Otherwise, ninth one it will fall down, right? So this is the
Yes.
length of the table. So if you measure from here, from this point to this point, this is 3 cup length. And from here to here, overall length, if you want to measure, you have to take the scale and you have to measure it from here to here. Using a tape or a length, they will measure. This is a concept of length, and this is the width of the table. In this chapter, this is third standard chapter only, max chapter. They are explaining like how we will be measuring the length and what is the concept of length. Here it's only 3 cups we can place it. Like this, the remaining location we can place additional 6 more cups, right? So total it will become 9 cup length, like that. And one more thing also you see here, how many parts can be placed to reach the tree branch? Can you guess?
Still need 4 more cups.
Yeah, maybe 4 more cups you can reach this one length. So 1 cup length maybe 1 centimeter. That also they will explain the next few slides. You will see. See here in this example, how many shirts can be hung on this wire? This much length already one shirt is placed, right? How many more we can place in this hang wire? How many more can we hang on this wire? Approximately, can you guess?
Two.
2. Let us see. From here to here, it is 1. Then if we take this one more shirt we can place. Then 3. Then 4. Almost 4 we can place. Including this, we can place 4, right?
Okay.
You understand, right? This is the one shirt length. The next shirt it will come here. Then one more shirt we can place it here, and fourth shirt we can place it here. So totally in this line we can place 4 shirts, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. The length concept. So we will be measuring like this only. See here. Can you measure this? This is what's this actually? This is crocodile.
It's a lizard.
Lizard. Yeah, correct. Lizard only. So this lizard length, can you measure it? See, for example, this is a matchstick, right? Matchstick, 1, 2, from here to here. I will draw a line. You will understand. So from here to here, right?
Plastic is 5 feet long,
1,
and
2, 3,
the
4.
lizard
No, it's a 4. It's starting from here to ending here, right? It's totally 1, 2, 3, 4 gaps are there, right? From here to here, it will be 4 centimeter length. And if you see,
12,
huh?
12 centimeter long is lizard.
1 minute, let me check. From here, it's starting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
9,
11,
10,
12,
12,
13.
13 feet
Yeah,
long.
13 centimeter long. So you have to start from 0. Okay, so the matchstick you start from 0. This is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 centimeter long. This is how many centimeter long?
This one is 13 centimeter long, and the matchstick is
4
4
centimeter.
centimeter.
Yeah. Then you see here, this this is 0, this is 1, right? So how many centimeter long this die?
Dice is only
Die is 1 centimeter, from 1 centimeter long only from here to here. Okay, can you see this one? How many centimeter long this one? This
1,
flat
2,
kind of thing.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 long.
1, 2,
8
3,
centimeter
4,
long.
5, 6. No, starting 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 centimeter long. Huh? Okay. Start with 0. This is 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is totally 7 centimeter long, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you measure this leaf? How much long? Start with 0.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
No, you start from here. The leaf starts from here,
0,
right?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 centimeter long.
Yeah, right. 4 centimeter long. This leaf is 4 centimeter long. This matchstick also 4 centimeter long. This bat is how much? 7 centimeter, right? And this die is
Yeah.
1 centimeter. And lizard is 13 centimeter, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Here you see here the matchstick is 4 centimeter long. The die is 1 centimeter from every side. Lizard is 13 centimeters long. Leaf is how many centimeter? 4 centimeters long. And wax color is also, I think this is 7 centimeter. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 centimeters long. So this is 7 centimeters long. Now look at the scale that you find in a geometry box. How many centimeters does it have? Geometry box, can you measure using your scale? How many centimeters long it will come? You have the scale, right? Ruler.
I don't know if I have read it.
You have a ruler and then geometry box. You measure it. How many centimeters long that geometry box is coming?
It's in my school. I forgot it.
Okay, then we will measure it tomorrow and tell me. Okay. Now you have the scale with you or no?
No.
Okay. Then tomorrow you measure it, the geometry box, and tell me. Say the same way here. That's your homework for tomorrow. The same scale that you mostly use in school is like this one. The whatever the scale you are using, it looks like this one, right?
That is 15 centimeters, smaller than this.
Yeah. So is it easier to start measuring from 0 mark? From 0 you can measure it. See this small pin, it's 1 centimeter. This pin is 2 centimeter. And this kind of
Next
small
is
wooden is 3
centimeters.
centimeter long. This nail is 4 centimeter long. So this is how we will measure it. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to measure something, use your scale and start with 0 and read it in the scale. Then you will come to know what's the length of that one. Okay. Look
Okay.
at this. Look at the things drawn near the scale and find out their lengths. Can you tell the length of, for example, what are the little lines on the scale used for? The small little lines you see, that is everyone is 1 mm. That's why here 1 centimeter we are telling, right? This 10 mm is called 1 centimeter.
Okay.
So from here to here, there are 10 mm's, that is equal to 1 centimeter. You understand, right?
Yeah.
Then this 20 mm will be 2 centimeter, right?
Yeah.
If I ask you 100 mm will be how many centimeter?
100 mm will be 1000 millimeters.
No, here you see 0 to 1. 1 centimeter is 10, 2 centimeter is 20, 3 centimeter is 30, 4 centimeter 40, 5 centimeter 50, 6 centimeter is 60 mm, 7 centimeter is 70 mm, 8 centimeter is 80 mm, 9 centimeter is 90 mm, 10 centimeter is 100 mm. You got right?
The,
Do you get me?
yes. So 1
Okay.
centimeter is 100 mm.
1
2
centimeter
centimeter.
is 10 mm.
1 centimeter is 10 mm. 2
Yeah,
centimeter is 50 mm.
yeah,
100, 10 centimeter is 100 mm.
correct. Suppose now I will ask you one question. 15 centimeter is how many mm? 15 centimeter.
1500.
See here, this is 15 centimeter, right? From this,
Yeah.
how many mm's it will come?
There are 10
15
mm total.
centimeter. 1 centimeter is 10 right?
Yeah.
So 15 centimeter equal to 15 into 10 equal to 150 mm, right?
150 multiplied by 10. 5. That's fine.
So now if I ask you 9 centimeter, how many mm?
9 centimeter is 90 mm.
Sorry?
9 centimeter is 90 mm.
Yeah, right. 12 centimeter is how many mm?
12 centimeter is 12 multiplied by 100 and 120.
Yeah, 120. That's right. 120 mm. Okay, you just multiply by 10 because 1 centimeter is 10 mm. You see here, this is 1 centimeter length. Here you can see one small line. So how many small lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 small lines are there. Each line is 1 mm. Okay, so 10 mm is called 1 centimeter. This is the concept. 10 mm is 1 centimeter because 10 small lines are there, right?
Yes.
So look for things that are about 10 centimeters long. 10 centimeters long means like how many mm it will come? 10 centimeter.
10 centimeter means there must be 10 centimeter means 100 mm.
Yeah, right. 10 centimeter means 100 mm. Because 1 centimeter concept is 1 centimeter is 10 mm. Okay. Now,
Mouse, where are you?
sorry.
Mouse, where are you? Down it have been tricked.
Yeah, mouse. Where
I am
are you?
here.
I am here. This is to measure the height. You see, from here to here, this mouth is small height. Giraffe is longer height. So they will use your scale. You can use your scale. You can measure this height and you can measure this height also. So you will understand like the length, concept of length, right?
You
Then now let's go to the next page. We will see what's there. You see here, how
how
big is
big
my
is
hand?
measure the length of your thumb,
Thumb
your
and your little
little
finger.
finger.
This
Use
is,
the scale on this page.
yeah, which is
Which
longer?
is longer thumb?
What?
Little finger?
Can you tell me which is longer, thumb or little finger? Your thumb is longer or your little finger is longer?
Our little finger is no.
Not thumb, huh? Yeah, thumb is not
The
longer.
little finger is most longer.
Okay, and you see here, bring a measuring tape to your class.
This
Maybe
is that.
sometime later. You have the measuring tape?
Yes.
Okay. Maybe if they are taking the class, they will sometimes they will ask you to bring the measuring tape to your class, and you will start measuring the some of
Yes.
the. Hmm?
Measure different parts of your body and check if your guess is correct. You can use a scale, string,
Measuring
measuring
tape,
tape,
measuring.
etc. How could we measure our head, hand,
Yeah.
fingers?
Use the measuring tape, and then you can read from the tape what is the length. Usually doctor, if you go when small child and it's there, they will measure the head size, hip size. They will measure it. They will take the measuring tape, then they will put one at the zero, and then they will circle the head, and then they will measure the head size, encircle the head, and then they will measure the head size. The same way they will measure the chest size. Usually head size should be bigger than chest size. Whenever small babies are there, they will measure like that. Then after that, you can use your scale. You can see how much centimeter it's long like that. See, there is one question to think about it.
How
How will you know
can
the number of centimeters if you measure with a rope, shoestring, thread?
I
What you can
don't
use?
know.
You use the rope and place the rope on the scale, then you can come to know what is the length of that rope. From that, you will understand how many centimeters, right? Do you get? No? Okay. First take the first take the rope, okay? And like this, you wrap on your uh, like a front hand, okay? Yeah. After that, you take the rope. Yeah, okay, measure it. And then you put that on your scale also. Then you can see how much centimeter long like that. So this is how you can measure your head size and
0, 1,
wrist size.
2, 3, 4.
Put it on the
It's
scale.
12 small.
You might have seen in temple and all, they will measure the flower like this, right? With 1 feet, 2 feet. Did you buy any?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like 1 feet means this much length. After measuring it, you can put it in the scale. You can see. Sorry.
In Abu Dhabi also they will do the same thing as usual.
Okay. So this is how they will measure the length. These things are they will be teaching you just to get the concept of what's the length. See here. Tomorrow you measure your nose and you see how many centimeters, and your friend's nose also how many centimeters, and around the wrist also you put the rope and measure it using your scale. You note it down how much centimeter your measurement and your friend measurement or a serious measurement. Around the head, you make one rope and then measure the length. That's your measurement, and put it your brother's measurement also. Ear also, hand also, right? This is just to give you the concept of how much the length, like it comes like length mean from one distance to another distance. You will be measuring it. You see here. Here they are measuring ear length. This is they are measuring hand length. Which is longer,
No,
your ear or your nose? If you measure your
nose.
nose, ear,
No, yeah.
I think ear will be longer than nose. No, I don't know. Maybe my nose is bigger than ear. No, no, my ear is bigger than the nose. Yeah, we have to measure it. That's why we have to use and we have to measure it.
Because our nose is starting from here.
Yeah, our nose is starting from here.
But that's why I'm telling it's wrong.
Okay, but we have to use. That's why we need to measure it using scale. First, take the thread and put it, and then put it in the scale. Then you can see how many centimeters. Tomorrow, you tell me how many centimeters your nose is long like that. Okay,
I don't know how to
how to measure?
do it. Yeah. I
No,
know how to measure,
see this
but I
example.
don't know how to measure my nose.
No, no, see this example here. They are measuring ear. Okay, don't measure the nose. Measure the ear. Your brother's ear, you measure it.
He never let me.
Huh? Is it
He
confusing?
never let me. He
Sorry.
never let me.
Now?
He never let me.
Oh, he never
He'll
let you. Okay, then you measure your mother's ear or someone. Okay, we will see.
I will measure my friend's ear.
Yeah, yeah,
See, see, that is the uncle or the head size, Papa, ma'am.
yeah. You see here, it starts with
Maybe hip size.
no, 1 minute.
Hey, back side is
Yeah. See, but this is centimeter or inch. This is inch scale. You can see 1, 2, 3.
back side is
Right?
centimeter.
This is
Yeah.
inch. So I will put it here, and then I will measure something like this, and then we will take, and then we will see here how much it comes.
23.
Yeah, my head size is 23. This is how they will measure it. So you have to use the measuring tape to measure. We will see this lady's head size. This lady's head size is 20. So she is having very less brain size than me. That's why she's always fighting with me. No, it's okay. It's on record. Okay. So here, who has the biggest head and who has the smallest head? Now you have measured, right? My head size and this lady's head size, right? So smallest is her head size, biggest is my head size. This is how they will measure it. You understand the
My
concept?
head size is smaller.
Oh, okay. That's okay. So we can measure the hand size also. Who has the longest hand? Like that, they can measure it. Now, this is mainly to make you understand the concept of, yeah. This is mainly to make you understand the concept of length. Okay, how usually when if you go to the engineering office also, what we will do, we will measure the room size using this kind of tape and all. 10 by 10, like that we will be measuring 10 feet by 10 feet room size. This is for measurement. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, then let's see this one. Here you see one ant is here, and this is Ghibli. And Ghibli has to reach the grinds. One minute. Huh? Here you see this has to reach the grind. Grind, grind means like something to eat. This ant has to reach this grind. She is looking for the shortest road. Shortest road means smallest one. Can you tell her which is the shortest out of this?
Road B.
Road B?
Yeah, that's the
Yeah, yes,
smallest.
that's the shortest. So how do you say this is the shortest?
I just measured it with my brain.
You measure it with your brain.
No, I measured it with this rope.
Okay. So
I had
road
to
B is the shortest one. Can you draw a road shorter than this? What is the length of the road?
make simple. Just put a straight line.
Yeah. Always straight line is the shortest distance. Huh? From one point to another point, you make a straight line that will be the shortest one. So what is the length of the road? That road, if I measure from this to this, we have to measure it. Okay, we will measure it sometime later.
It's 12 feet long.
12 feet, 12
Yeah.
centimeters might be. 12 feet means like,
12 millimeter long.
sorry?
12 millimeter long.
Ah, okay, 12 millimeter. Okay, that could be. Let's see something. Next one. See here, how long is a meter? I want to make a long kurta. Take 2 meters cloth for your kurta. And how many meters for a long skirt for me? You need 3 meters. See, this kind of, they will measure the uh, cloth, right? Using the scale. That's the purpose. They will be using like a meter. How long is a meter? Do you know how long is a meter? Yesterday we have seen, right? 1 meter is how much centimeter?
100 centimeter.
Yeah, right. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. And 1 meter is how many millimeter in terms of millimeter?
10 millimeter.
No, 1 meter is 1000 millimeter, right? Because
Yeah.
1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. So 100 centimeter is 1000 millimeter. Okay.
Okay.
You see here, 1 centimeter is 10 right? Just a minute. Huh? You see. So 1 centimeter is 10 then 10 centimeter is 100 centimeters. How much it will come? 100 centimeter.
100 centimeter
Yeah.
is 10.
100 into
Huh?
10. How much it will come? 100 into 10.
110.
No, 100 times 10, not 100 plus 10. 100 times 10 is 1000, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So 1 meter is 1000 How it comes means 1 centimeter is 10 100 centimeter is 100 into 10, 1000 That's why 1 meter we will call 1000 You get? You get me?
Yes.
So see, if I
One
ask you like 5 meter is how many
5,000 mm.
Right. 6 meter is how many
6,000.
Okay. So 5 meter, how many centimeter?
5 meter is 500 centimeter.
Correct. Correct. So meter to centimeter, you see 100. Meter to mm is 1000. That's it. I think you get the concept, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see next. Let us make a meter rope. You must have seen shopkeepers measuring cloth with a meter rod. If you go to a shopkeeper, they will keep some meter rod. They will be measuring the cloths using that meter rod. Take a meter rod and rope. This is one rope, and you see here below meter rod is there. This one rope also they are taking it, and make a knot at one end of the rope and keep the meter rod with the rope. Make mark 1 meter on the rope and make a knot there. Like one end you start one knot, and after 1 meter you make one knot. Okay. Now the length between the two knot is 1 meter. This is your meter rope. If you want to make a meter rope, you can do this procedure. You understand, right? You take 1 meter long scale, huh? Take
Okay.
one rope and make one knot at the one end and another knot another 1 meter end. Then this rope is 1 meter rope. You get me?
Oh, yes.
Can you tell me what did you understand?
We have to take 1 meter scale.
Yeah,
We have to take 1 meter cloth. We have to make a straight line. First,
knot.
the last, you have to put a knot in the next side. Also, you have to put a knot.
Yeah. Then this rope will be 1 meter long rope. Okay. Now let's
Okay.
see some other example. Guess and check. These things it will be activity only. Which of these will be in centimeters and which will be in meters? Centimeter is smaller size. You have seen, right? Meter is a bigger size, right? Because 100 centimeter is 1 meter, right? So it's a bigger one. It will come. Meter. Which one is bigger, meter or centimeter? Meter or
Centimeter.
centimeter? Yeah, yeah. Meter. Why meter is bigger than centimeter?
Because meter is the most,
100 times
most.
the centimeter. Centimeter is one time means meter is like this 100 times. So you get me, right? This is centimeter. Meter is 100 times 1 centimeter, right?
Actually, kilogram or kilogram.
Kilometer is 1,000 times.
Millimeter is the highest.
Sorry,
Millimeter.
millimeter is the smallest one. Let us see now here our this one. You see millimeter. This is the smallest one. Kilometer is the largest one.
No, it's not true.
Huh? Millimeter is
No,
smallest one. Millimeter is this much. Kilometer is this much.
yeah, millimeter is smaller, but anyway,
Huh.
it's larger because we are telling it's 1,000.
Yeah, yeah.
One
1,000
millimeter.
millimeter is 1 kilometer. That's correct. You get here. You see, 1,000